Jogging. I'm gonna change my icon real quick. No. What's the cut one? There. I like the cut one. This one. Like this one. There we go. What's... Oh my days, bro. What swing shop? Oh wait, no. What swing copter should I choose? I think this one. It looks so cool. Okay. I think I'm gonna do something. Clear my clips. Where's my cube like that? What? No way.